Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add a custom domain name to Blogger. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in www.blogger.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile and then you'll have your screen looking like this in front of you. But now let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the left side of the screen, we have the new post. We have the post, stats, comments, earnings, pages, layout, theme, settings, and reading list. And in the top right corner, we have your profile. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and add a custom domain name to Blogger. So adding a custom domain name to your Blogger site can make it look more professional and personalized. So first of all, you need to go and select your domain from like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or any other provider. And then go to Blogger. And of course, go to the blog where you want to have that. So we can go and click a new blog or go on one existing. Then you need to go and click on the, of course, settings, and under the publishing section, go to and click on custom domain. So basically, then when you put in your domain, so you have them here. And then when you put in your custom domain, you just need to go and then save it. And then after that, you can go and put in, of course, the publish, where you can go and publish with your new domain, so your blog. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.